Hi, I'm Andy, and I'm here to show you the easy way to install your new wireless security system. Check this out. It's your sleek and handy motion sensor. Just make sure you place this little guy at least several feet away from the air conditioner or any metal appliances that might be on your wall. Now let's get to work and mount your motion sensor for installation. See the sticker here on the back of the plate? Peel it right off. But wait, before you stick your sensor on the wall, look for a corner that will give you maximum coverage of the area. You also want to make sure that the sensor is placed just a foot or so lower than the ceiling. Ideally, the sensor should be placed in a corner facing away from any windows and towards the entrance of the room. Stick it on and you're done. This is your door or window sensor. It may look small, but it packs a lot of punch. Let's get started installing this little powerhouse. Peel off the adhesive sticker on the back of the sensor and then stick the sensor's housing unit on the door frame. Make sure the magnet is directly parallel to the unit and not more than about 1/4 inch apart. See these two lines here? They make it easy for you to line up each component parallel to each other, just like this. You want to make sure your sensor can do its job right. So make sure the unit and the magnet are placed on the edge of the upper corner of the door, but away from the hinges. That's it, all done. No wires, no mess, just an easy installation, and you did it all by yourself, just like a pro.